tracing down, I will trace down to these fuse to do the radio. Yeah, you can see. 0.7 millivolts at this fuse. Right now, let me pull it out and see how it goes. Alright, try this one. Yeah, train's gone. Yeah, the stereo is being unplugged. See the back there. And the drain is still there, so I'll go after maybe some other component on the same circuit, radio circuit, fuse. The radio fuse circuit, the same circuit that powered the Handsfree module as well. So this is the Handsfree Bluetooth module. Hope the shot not too bad. Just behind or below the radio on this angle. So now it's 0.19 amps volt battery drain. Now I will disconnect this. It's been disconnected. You can see disconnect. Now the drain's gone. So yeah.